Hello everyone, maybe most of you know what is PHP. For who doesn't know, PHP is the most popular programming language for create web application. Of course, there is many other programming language for create web application. PHP not also programming language for create web application, but it also can be used to create console application and desktop application. But web is the most PHP being used. This is first video in PHP programming tutorial series, which teach you about PHP programming, especially about the basics. It's also contain some advanced concept. If you interested to learn PHP programming, you can watch these videos in this series and see you in the next video.